Hello guys, this is Shraddha Thakkar here. Welcome to my channel Biology with Shraddha. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ABO blood group typing system. So let's get started. The ABO blood group system was discovered by Karl Landsteiner. There are mainly four types of blood groups. We have blood group A, B, AB and O. So these are the four types. Now the blood group of a person is determined by the antigens which are present on the RBCs. So let us understand how exactly this works. A person with blood group A will always have A antigen present on the RBCs. Therefore, that person will have anti-B antibodies in the plasma. Similarly, a blood group B person will have B antigen on the RBCs and anti-A antibodies in the plasma. A person with blood group AB will have both A and B antigens on the RBCs and no antibodies in the plasma. A person with blood group O will not have any antigen present on the RBC. Therefore, the blood group is O. And so, that person will have anti-A as well as anti-B antibodies in the plasma. So, this is how the blood group of a person is determined. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel Biology with Shraddha. You can also follow me on Unacademy, which is India's largest online learning platform. And there you can watch my videos and attend my free special classes on various topics of biology. So I have given the details of all my Unacademy classes in the description box below. Please don't forget to check it out and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.